Shawty gon' another the team. 3,500 for D. Said please. I got your hoe on the leash. All on her knees, ready to preach. Suck on my dick like a leash. Holiday better than one of her Carter. He got a little guap. For the little bit in my car. Diamond that shine in the dark.
Hi guys, let me just be real with you. Today has been an absolute mess. I'm really stressed out, so if I sound pissed, stop laughing at me. If I sound pissed off in this video, I'm very sorry, but it's been a very long day and I've been very stressed out because when I tell you my laptop has been acting the f*** up all day, like it's been acting up, acting up, and you know, this video deleted about 10 times. I couldn't find the file. My laptop kept dying on 30%. My hard drive kept flipping unplugging by it's just been a mess today, so you know, yeah, thank you for your patience. And I am very pissed off. It's 1 a.m. and I'm very pissed off. My little sister is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Right, but so today I'm going to show you guys how to do this glitter makeup look for when you're going out clubbing or partying or anywhere. It's really super bomb, pretty, gorgeous, amazing. I love it. Yeah, so I've already applied my eyebrows, my foundation, and my foundation I used my what's it called again? Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the color, what color is it again? 173. And right now I'm concealing with my MAC Prep and Prime highlighting pen, and before that I used my MAC 24 hours concealer in the color NC45, and I'm mixing the two shades and it just creates a really lovely little highlight for my face, and it stays on for so long. Like that MAC 24 hour concealer literally lasts so long. And my makeup, I went to Steph London's party on this day, her birthday party, and my makeup was looking like this all day. Like it didn't even change. Like it looked so good even when I left the party. I'll see if I can insert a clip afterwards, but yeah, it looked so good. Like this concealer is the best concealer. Like it lasts forever. I was sweating, I was dancing so much, and it stayed. So you know, yeah. So now I'm contouring my face. You guys have seen me do this so many times. I'm using my LA Pro concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze, and here we are, contouring my forehead, lips, more underneath my lips to create a little shadow so my lips look bigger, cheekbones, jawline, all of that. And I kind of use it to just bronze my face, so it kind of brings the depth back, because when you highlight your face it kind of makes you look a bit flat, so you need to like contour. You dig? Yeah. Right, now I'm using my LA Girl Pro no I'm not, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I've been doing this new thing. It's not really new, but I've been like really pressing the powder into my skin. Normally I just like put it on my skin, like just literally put it on there and let it sit there, but now I really press it into the skin, and it makes my makeup look so much smoother and it lasts even longer. Like it's crazy. Like I normally just like literally put it on the skin and I left it like kind of patchy and just I can't really explain, but now I've been actually pressing the powder into the skin until it kind of blends, if that makes sense. And you guys need to try it. If you don't do that already, then it will change your life, because it has changed my life. So yeah, I'm using my MAC what's the powder called again? MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC45, and I'm just setting the rest of my face with this. Sometimes I use the Sacha Buttercup if I'm lazy, but you know, today I'm just gonna use my Studio Fix, and it does offer some coverage which I like, so you know. powdering my eyelids with the same Sacha Buttercup, pressing it in so my eyes are ready for the shadow. Also doing my brows because it helps to lock the brows in place and it stops them from looking shiny. And when you put powder on your brows, like, it kind of helps to define the brow hairs and make them look more natural. Now I'm using my Boohoo palette and it's literally so good. I've been using it since like May and I love it. For contouring and bronzing, it's so good. But as you for some reason today it was looking patchy. I don't think I powdered my skin properly, so it was doing up patchy, but I kind of fixed it, so you know. So Ruby, how are you today? Why are you filming me? Go say hi to them.
Hi.
Say something else.
I'm 10.
You're 10. That's great. Wow. Yeah, I might be filming a video of my sister tomorrow. Little sister does my makeup video. I did this last year, but of course it deleted, so you know, we're gonna do it again. Contouring my nose using the same Boohoo palette, and I'm also kind of contouring my eyelids. Amazing. Kind of acts as a transition shade before you even do your eyeshadow. Amazing. Yep, and I'm double baking. Makes my makeup stay on for even longer. It doesn't make me look ashy, doesn't make me look cakey, makes me look amazing. Double bake, people. Yep, now I'm using my Morphe palette. What is that palette? Get that palette for me. The biggest one, yeah. How did you know? Now I'm using my, okay, where's the number on this palette? Using my Morphe 39A palette. Dare to Create artistry palette from Morphe. I'm using a really nice warm brown shadow to... I kind of used all the transition... When I use the transition shades in this palette, I literally just use all of them. And I just put it on my eyes because, you know, I couldn't pick, so I just used all of them. And I'm using... I don't know what the colour's called, but it's just, you know, you saw what I used. And I'm adding it to the crease to add some depth and make it even darker, you know. Oh, he's laughing at me. Yeah. My eyeshadow wasn't even popping today, not gonna lie, but you guys get the concept, you get it, you know what's going on, you know. I wasn't having a good makeup day. Well, my eyes definitely wasn't. You guys will see what happens afterwards. But yeah, now I'm adding the black to add even more depth to my look. Do you see what happened? There was concealer on my makeup brush and I blended it onto my eye, and now I've got concealer on top of my eyeshadow. I was stressed out, like I was trying to get ready for this party and my eyeshadow wanted to be acting the fuck up, like I was big mad, man. I was big mad, but I kind of fixed it. As you guys can see, now it looks even more uneven and disgusting, but you know, it's how life goes. And here we are, adding some more powder. Yeah, now I'm gonna be cutting my crease using again the MAC 24-hour concealer. It's so good for cutting your crease as well. I usually use my LA Girl, but this, whoa, now I use my my MAC concealer because it kind of dries matte and it doesn't smudge as much, so it's just a bit better, I guess. What is that called? Right, Ruby, find that for me. Almost there. Get it. Yes, that. Yeah. You just picked up. This is my MAC glitter in pink hologram. It's really nice and shiny, and I think the glue I used was from MUA, like the Superdrug brand. It's pretty good. It lasted all day as well. And how I apply glitter to my eyes, I kind of grab like a fluffy eyeshadow brush, but like a flat one, if that makes sense, and I dip it into the pot of glitter, and it kind of just puts the perfect amount on it, and then I just put it on my eye and it just comes out perfect, and there's like no like fallout or anything, or just minimum fallout. Yeah, and this I don't even know what this eyeliner is. I'm sorry, I don't know which one it is, and I don't know where it is right now, but it's trash anyway, so don't buy it. Yeah, just a thin line just to help my lashes blend. These lashes are from Get Lashed online, I believe. I think I tagged them in one of my recent Instagram posts. They're really nice. Long. I love long eyelashes. I'm gonna do an eyelash tutorial because I think I'm really good at putting lashes on really quickly. I don't know if you saw, but it like no struggle, I just put them on, and sometimes there's a struggle, sometimes it just goes on like really nicely. So you know, I was definitely having a good lash day. So yeah, now I'm adding this Maybelline mascara to blend my lashes and make them look beautiful. No mascara to my bottom lashes because I don't have bottom lashes, and how life goes sometimes. Dusting off my powder using my Real Techniques brush. Which one is that? I don't even know. Okay, this lip liner is the bottom. I need to find it. People are asking me which lip. Right, Ruby, can you help me find this lip liner? And put this back for me. Right, what is this lip liner called? It's by Lime Crime. Right, you're definitely not gonna find that in this mess. Right, it might be in here. Look on the table. It might be there. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to find it. This is my Lolita lipstick from Kat Von D. Really good. Right, the lips liner is not here. I guess I'm gonna have to put it in the comments because I can't find it. Yeah. But it's a Lime Crime lip pencil, and it's the best. It's the best of the best lip pencils ever. It literally doesn't come off at all. No matter what you're doing with your mouth, it's not coming out. It's not coming out. Yeah, this is my Lime Crime Opals palette. It's amazing. I love it. This is my everyday highlight, by the way, guys. I use this all the time. Using that same eyeliner, I'm really stuttering right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trash. Thank you for putting up with my bullshit, but you know, under eye dots is the way for me every single day, so I'm just doing that. I think I do under eye dots because I don't have eyelashes, and it kind of makes it look like, it doesn't really look like eyelashes, but it kind of acts as eyelashes. So I feel like most people have eyelashes. I feel like I'm like the only person that doesn't have bottom lashes, but if you don't have bottom lashes like me, try under eye dots. It kind of makes your eyes look really pretty, you know. And I've set my face using my Skin Denavia bridal spray. Amazing, makes my makeup last forever. So yeah, thanks for watching my YouTube tutorial, guys. I'm sorry for the really trash voiceover. I'm very pissed off because this video wanted to delete 10 times. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a different tutorial for once because I know I basically do the same one every day. So here we are, something different. Love y'all.
Is not in service at this time.